Hello, my name is Jeff Lammers. I'm co-author of the World Record Paper Airplane books, and I would like to introduce to you our new iPhone and iPad app, the World Record Paper Airplanes for the iPad. Begin flying. A whole list of 16 different paper airplanes. Pick any one. Begin folding, and it will animate the folds. You can pick any fold you want. You can animate that fold and forward through all the folds until you have your airplane. Paper Aerodynamics Flight School shows you how to fold, adjust, and fly paper airplanes. You can read all about the world record paper airplane time aloft